Hello, good morning everyone. Today I tell you first concept of past truth. How to speak English naturally at home. Okay? Here I tell you about some sentence. Like that here you only remember concept is was and were. Okay? I was a student. She was tall. They were players. She was a dancer. She was an engineer. Ramu was short. They were players. My father was hardworking. My brother was relaxing. My mother was calm in nature. My mother was kind hearted. My grandfather was a small garden. My grandfather was a sentimental heart. I was a wristwatch. I was a magic pen. I was a laptop. I was a mobile phone. Okay, like that you can create lot of sentence with was and were. This is a first concept of past truth. Okay, I am going to tell you about my village with past truth and description. Okay, my village was a peaceful and beautiful place. It was surrounded by green fields. The environment was fresh and clear. The air was pure and the sky was clean. Okay, and the people were friendly and their behavior was warm and welcoming. The houses were simple, but they were full of joy. The roads were narrow, but they were not very busy. The fields were wide, and the crops were healthy. Everywhere were many big khiris trees and coconut trees. The shade was comforting. Every mornings were calm and every evenings were relaxing. We were go to play in the school garden. We were play football in the school ground. There was a primary school close my house. There was a temple of Lord Krishna in my village. The children were playful and their energy was high. Overall, my village life was simple but it was meaningful. The every moment was special and every memory was unforgettable. Okay, this was my village life. You can create also about thinking and explain with natural process with concept was and were. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, then like and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you so much. Goodbye.